Hello guys, so we are still doing the chapter of surface areas and volumes from NCERT book, and we are on exercise 13.2, question number 4. So question number 4 says a pan stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. The radius of each of the depressions is 0.5 centimeter and the depth is 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Okay, so there is a pan stand. I can draw the pan stand. First we have to draw the diagram to put our data completely. So now suppose, okay, this is my pen stand, right? Okay, in this there are 4 conical depressions, 1 2 3 4, like this. They have given in the book, they have given a diagram different way, but it would look like this, correct? So these cones will be below this line actually, right? Okay, so these will be something like that. Now we have dimensions of the, so length is equal to 15 centimeter, width or breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, and height is equal to 3.5 centimeter, right? So whenever dimensions they give this into this or this by this, so first comes length and breadth and then height. Okay, then there are different conical depressions, 4 not different, they are same, 4 same. So radius of this conical depression is equal to 0.5 centimeter, and depth means the height is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Okay, so this is 1.4 centimeter. So these are the dimensions of the wooden block or wooden stand. Now I know volume of wood used, volume of wood of this pan stand will be equal to, first I know the volume of cuboid, correct? But then these are conical depressions in which this has been taken out, so there is no wood there, so it will not be counted for that. So then, and there are 4, so 4 into, I have to subtract that part of volume, so 4 into volume of one cone I can write down, right? So now volume of wood is equal to this, so let's write down the formula is equal to volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H minus 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square H, that is for cone. Okay, now let's substitute the value. So length is equal to 15, everything is given in centimeter, so I don't have to worry about that. 15 into 3.5 into 4 by 3 into, okay, here it will be minus sign, okay, minus 4 by 3, 22 by 7 into radius is 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.4. So this calculation I have to do now. So this becomes 15 into 35 minus, nothing gets here, this gets cancelled, so 0.2. So now I can write down, if I multiply 4 by 3, I'll just write down like that, and this into this will become 11, because 22 into 5 is 110, 1 decimal point goes, so this will become 11, and this will become 5 2s are 10 with 2 decimal points, so 5 2s are 10, and this becomes like that. Okay, now so 15 5s are 75, and 45 and 7 is 52, so 52 and 1 decimal point, no decimal point, so 525 minus, and this becomes 4.4 by 3, right? 4.4 by 3, So this becomes 525 minus 3 ones are 3 decimal point, 3 fours are 12, and will keep on going 6 correct. So 6 7 I can write down, or I can just write down 4 6 7. Okay, because 4 3 fours are 12, 20 20 20, it will go on like that. So this is like that. Now 525 minus this, okay, so only 2 will go, so this will be 523 decimal point, and out of this if I subtract, this will be 5 3 and 3 5 3 3. So I can just approximately write down 523.5 centimeter cube. It's volume. So just we have to remember the unit. So volume of this wood used in this pen stand is 523.5 centimeter cube. That's my answer. Number 5 says a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of the top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim when lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5, are dropped into vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. Okay, so let's understand the question first. So we have a cone, okay, and this is filled with water up to the brim, like completely filled. So that means we can say total volume of this cone, and then they are dropping the lead shots in this. Okay, so if they drop the lead shots, then 1/4 of the water comes out. So the volume of lead shots, how many number of lead shots are dropped into this vessel, that will be volume of those lead shots will be equal to 1/4 of the volume of this cone, correct, because 1/4 of water has flown out, so we know that will be equal to 1/4 of this. Okay, so now let's write down the dimensions. So its height is equal to 8 centimeter. So height is equal to 8 centimeter. Then we have radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, then we have to talk about the lead shots. So each of those are spherical in shape. So these are my lead shots. So lead shots radius is equal to 0.5 centimeter. So everything is in centimeters. We don't have to worry about the units. Okay, so now find the volume of the lead shots dropped in the vessels. Okay, so we know this number of lead shots. Okay, so number of lead shots will be equal to volume of water flown out by volume of one lead shot. Okay, now we know volume of water flown out is equal to 1/4 of volume of cone divided by volume of one lead shot, so that is volume of sphere. They are in spherical shape. Okay, now let's write down the formula. So 1/4 of volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, and we have volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, radius are different, so this is for cone and this is for sphere. I can mention height is only one, so there is no confusion. Now this pi and pi will get cancelled, and So now this 3 gets cancelled. What will I get? Now I'll substitute the values also. So on substituting the values, I'll get this is 1 by 4 into 4, so 16 into our radius of cone is equal to 5 centimeter. So 5 into 5 into height is equal to 8 centimeter. So 8 and radius of sphere is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 cube. So 1 into this. Okay, so now this and this will go by 10 and 10. Then this will go by 8 ones are 8 twos are 16, and this, if I cancel, this will be 20. So this is equal to 10. So this comes out to be 100 shots, right? So 100 lead shots. That's my answer. Number 6 says a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter is 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 9 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole. Okay, so they have given that 1 centimeter cube of iron is approximately 8 grams of mass. So they have given conversion of volume to mass. So we can convert it, and we have to use pi is equal to 3.14. So unless it is mentioned in the question, should we use 3.14 or 22 by 7, we use 22 by 7, but in this question they have mentioned that we have to use pi as 3.14. So that's fine. So now let's draw the diagram first. So iron pole consists of cylinder. Okay, so this is one cylinder for the pole, and height is equal to 220. Okay, in every case, first we have to see that the conversion is given in centimeter cube, right? So we can find out everything in centimeter. So that would be good because we have to convert it. So now this is equal to 220 centimeter. It's given in centimeter. Base of diameter is 24 centimeter. So my radius will be equal to 12 centimeter. 24 by 2. Then it is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. So this height is 60 centimeter. Okay, I should have drawn it little bit smaller. Fine. And radius is 4 centimeter. They have given the radius as 8 centimeter. Okay, so 60 and 4 and 220 and 12. That will be my radius. And you have to find the mass of the pole. But first because the conversion is given from, I can't find directly mass. The conversion is given to me from volume to mass. So first I'll find the volume of pole. That will be equal to volume of both two cylinders, right? So cylinder 1 plus volume of cylinder 2. So both volume. Okay, let's write down the formulae. Formulae is volume of cylinder is pi r square h, but here I can write down 1 and here I can write down pi r2 square h2, because there are two different cylinders and radius are different and heights are different. Okay, I can take pi common and substitute the values. So radius 1 is equal to, okay, this is my cylinder 1, this is my cylinder 2. So radius is equal to 12 into 12 into 220 plus radius 2 is equal to 8. So 8 into 8 and height is equal to 60. Okay. Now for making the calculations easier, I can think of taking some things common. Okay, so this I know, if I take 12 common, this will be 5, right? Or that's fine. And then I can take 4 common from this and this. So let me take, so pi I can substitute as, I'll substitute later in the end. So pi into, I can take 12 common and I can take 4 common. Okay, now this 12 has come out, so this will be 3 into 220 plus 4 I took common, so this becomes 8 and this becomes 2, so 16, and this becomes 5. Okay, this is fine, no? So I took 4 common, so this becomes 2 and this becomes 16 and this becomes 12 I took common, so this becomes 5. So this way I can I'm just trying to make my calculations easier. So pi into 12 4s are 48 and this becomes 660. I can take more common, but it's okay, now I can calculate easily. So 660 plus 16 5s are 80. Okay, now this will be equal to pi into 48 and this becomes 0, 8 and 6 14, 1 carry, so this becomes 740. Okay, now you have to multiply pi. They have already said that you have to take 3.14 into 48 into 740. So just do the calculation part. So we do calculation part will be, so we can calculate by just multiplying. So first we'll multiply 740 by 48, so I get 35520. Then this I will multiply by 3.14, so 3.14, if I multiply I get this. Now I have to put 2 decimal points, so the 2 decimal points will be this. Now so this is my volume. Okay, so I can write down volume of pole or iron, I can say. So volume of pole, because in the question they have mentioned like that, but whatever it is made up of, we should write down that. So volume of pole or iron, right, that is equal to 111,532.8. I can write down that, right? So volume is equal to this centimeter cube. So now they say 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So now 111,532.8 centimeter cube will be equal to how many grams? So this will be equal to, multiplied by 18, so 111,532.8 into 8. This is into 8 and this is equal to this. So 1 decimal point is here. Okay, so this much grams, but this is a very big number, so I can convert it into kilograms. So gram I have to convert, so I have to divide by 1000. So I'll just move to 3 more decimal points, right? So 3 more decimal points means this 1 2 3. So I'll put my decimal here for converting to kilograms. So this will be equal to 892.2624